Hi everyone, let's see how you can disable any specific key on your keyboard in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now in the search box, type Microsoft Power Toys and open the app. Simply install the app from here and click on Open. Once in the dashboard, expand Input and Output, then click on Keyboard Manager. Then turn on the Keyboard Manager. Then click on Remap a Key. Click here. Then click on Select. Now press the key on the keyboard you want to disable and click on OK. Now click here. Drag all the way to the up and select Disable and click on OK. Now whenever you type that key will not work. However, to bring back the key to normal functionalities, simply go to the same place and delete it from here, and done. The key will be back to normal functionalities again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.